hold this side down with a wrench, bust this nut off, and you can hit it out with a sledgehammer. Today we got 2019 Lincoln Nautilus all-wheel drive, getting a wheel burn replaced. Step one, get the car jacked up, supported on stands. Step two, 21 mil lugs, take them off. So step three for me is gonna be removing the nut on this axle. All right, my next few steps: remove caliper bracket, hang it on a strut, remove this bolt for the brake hose, not the brake line, the brake hose, the caliper hose. Undo this from the strut mount so this can hang up, no problem. Then take off the strut bolts. So these should be some 18 mils. I don't have an 18 in my hand right now. 21, 24, and just because I tend to forget where I put bolts, I can't forget them motherfuckers is there. And can't also forget about the ABS wire either. Definitely don't want this snapping off once you disconnect the strut. That's out the way. Now, once most people make it this far, they may have already used West Penetrant. I didn't need any. Just my punch and a mallet. But I'm still gonna clean these up with a wire brush. Clean up the back of the rotor with a wire brush, since we're not doing brand new brakes and rotors. And clean up the inside of this knuckle where all this gritty corrosion and shit is at from the old hood. But we got this far, and take it off, clean it up, and do this driver's side. Now, in most instances like this, the hood don't just fall out, so just a little bit of. There we go. And that's the shit that I'm talking about cleaning up right there. There we have it, folks. Passenger side, wheel hub is out. Driver's side coming next. Got the knuckle cleaned up for the insert. Just clean up the back of the rotor. And see, this is another important part if you're not swapping out everything. This rust will still cause a problem. As long as you that's a lot of fucking rust. So now that we got this side put back together, come around to the driver's side. I'm gonna snap my fingers, go like this. Now we're gonna do this one we did to the passenger side and